What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Jonathan Irizarry, and we're back here at Destination Dallas. We're gonna bring you a different type of workout today. So today is going to be a total body workout. Reason being is because I'm gonna be flying out tomorrow. I won't be able to go to the gym, and I'm basically gonna be flying all day. I'll be heading over to Europe, so you guys be on the lookout for the travel vlogs. It is going to be so much fun. If you guys have been followers of the channel, you guys know who Mark Cisse is, so we're gonna connect, get a lot of content together, get some workouts, and see who else I'll be able to meet up with while I'm out there. So it's gonna be a bit of an adventure. So we got 5 days in Denmark, 3 days in Germany, potentially 4 days in Portugal, a couple days in Spain, and then we'll head back to Dallas. And then of course, we're gonna head over to the Olympia right after that. So I mean, it's gonna be jam-packed from here on out the rest of the year. We're gonna be filling you guys up with content. I'm super duper excited. Real quick, before we move on from here, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new, again, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. I wanna make sure that we can start cranking these videos on the algorithm, start picking up the channel a little bit more. I appreciate you guys a lot. Now, let's break down today's workout. What we're gonna do is 2 sets per exercise. We're gonna make sure that we're hitting every single body part at least one time. So we'll start off with a leg, cut that. So we'll start off with the upper body first and then move on to legs and finish there. So essentially what we're gonna do is we'll go push, pull, legs, arms, and so forth, finish it all up. We'll break down all the exercises and stuff while we're there, so that way you guys are knowing exactly how to perform them, what exactly you need to do while you're getting in the gym. And what another benefit of this workout is, guys, is that once again, we're doing a total body workout. If it's something like, if you're not able to go to the gym often, let's say you're only able to make it to the gym once, 2-3 times a week, this is the perfect style routine for you. So that way you're making sure that you're getting plenty of volume through the week, hitting every body part multiple times, and that's gonna allow for some extra growth if you're looking to build some muscle. The way that I'm gonna go about this particular workout though, we're gonna keep the rest time short because we are a little bit short on time. And by doing so, again, if you need to get in and out of the gym real quick, this is another benefit to this workout. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So for the first exercise, we're gonna start with some lat pull downs. I'm using a neutral grip here. What we wanna do is we wanna come in. You wanna bring it down so as you're pulling down with the elbows here. So you're gonna slightly lean back. That way you're able to really engage those lats. But you see I'm not coming here, right? That's a lot of traps, upper back. You wanna keep it right there where the lats are engaged. So we're gonna do 2 sets, 10 to 15 reps. All right, next up, chest press, machine chest press. This is forget the brand. But this is definitely my favorite chest press machine. Comes in, you get a nice contraction. We're gonna go with the neutral grip here. Wanna make sure that we're getting these pecs nice and pumped up. Same concept though. When using this, you wanna make sure that your shoulders are back, chest is out. Really get a good contraction with your chest. Squeezing the mess out of it. All right, next up, moving back to back. And now the emphasis is focusing on the mid back. This is back thickness, right? So talk about the rear traps, rhomboids, teres, the whole bit back there. What we want to do is keep the elbows wide, come up, get a nice contraction, but also make sure we get a good stretch at the bottom. The more we're able to lengthen and contract the muscle, the more room for growth. You're getting those fibers in much, much deeper than just kind of going through a shorter range of motion, etc. So that's always the key, guys, is how can we make an exercise harder by not having to add more weight and resistance, okay? All right, guys, so with this particular fly machine, you've seen us use it at one of the chest workouts that we did over at Hidden Gym. I love it because it's plate loaded, but it enables you to get a very good stretch at the bottom. And you want to force that contraction here at the top. Obviously, when it got a little bit heavier here, I was a bit more fatigued. I wasn't able to hold it as long. But again, you want to make sure that your pecs are engaged. You're seeing your chest lift throughout the movement. Once again, 10 to 15 reps per set, 2 working sets. All right, guys, next up, we're gonna hit some delts. For this exercise, it's gonna be a tricep. We're gonna go side laterals, front raises, then over rear delt flies, 10 reps per exercise, right? So 10 reps per side laterals, 10 reps front laterals, 10 reps rear laterals. Let's get it. All right guys, now we're here for arms. We're gonna use the Prime Preacher Curl machine. Absolutely love this machine. One thing we're not gonna use today, but I wanna show you guys is how you're able to layer where you put the emphasis on the movement, just like most Prime equipment. So here in the middle is gonna keep it constant tension throughout the movement. Here, you're gonna feel it at the top. Here, you're gonna feel most of the pressure at the bottom. So depending on where you feel like your strength is or your weaknesses are, you can be able to shift the pressure so that you can basically emphasize on those areas. It's fantastic. Now to the triceps. Still out of breath. These fast-paced workouts are definitely a different pace. We'll put it that way, just for lack of better words. But it's great. You get a good pump. You're still pushing yourself. RPE, within the working sets are still around 7-8. So it's not like it's an easy workout by any means. But again, if you're in a time crunch, you're limited with the amount of training you can do in a week. Something like this can definitely be utilized. Of course, with each workout, you can do different exercises to be able to emphasize on different areas, so that way what you would have done in one workout is consolidated into 3 separate training sessions, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, look out for more content. We're gonna guys at least keep the videos coming 1 to 2 times a week. We're gonna look to keep building everything, like I said, building the community, just creating some good love and energy, positive vibes, so be on the lookout. Like I said, we're gonna start adding to the channel, doing different concepts, reaction videos, once again bring back the food videos, whatever. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see from us, let us know in the comments down below. Make sure you guys check the links in the description box for Gas, Better Bodies, Professor Nuts, Project AD, my website if you're looking for coaching, any training programs and whatnot. So yeah, that is all guys. Peace out.